Welcome to Winding Waters Preserve, located in Palm Beach County. The preserve is open sunrise to sunset and is free to enter and to park. Winding Waters Nature Preserve is a 548-acre urban wetland with 5 ecosystems: the Merrick Flatlands, hydric hammocks, a depression marsh, a wet prairie, and a dome swamp. Come along and join me as I hike the trails out here. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm out hiking at Winding Waters Preserve, a nature preserve here in West Palm Beach. So out here they've got 2 nature trails to hike at and a canoe trail. So the first hiking trail, the nature trail, is 1 mile round trip. So we'll go and hike that trail first. The other trail out here is the Wetlands Trail, which encircles the area, and it's 4.3 miles. So out here at Winding Waters, there's also a canoe trail, which is 3.3 miles. A free map and a brochure is provided at the parking area. The nature trail is our starting point and leads to a bridge and the first pavilion. This is where the trail connects to the Wetlands Trail. There is also a 3rd trail there called the Woods Trail and is a 0.6 of a mile long and connects back to the parking area. The preserve opened in 2015 after an extensive restoration project successfully transformed what was once a cattle ranch into an urban oasis. The site was purchased by the county in 2001. So over here at the main pond, it's just an absolute cacophony of bird song. The nature preserve now serves a crucial role in groundwater storage and natural water flow. It provides an open green space for nature exploration and ecology enhancement for South Florida. More importantly, the nature preserve provides a safe habitat for wildlife. The focus in the preserve has been on habitat restoration, controlling invasive species, and creating access for the public to enjoy these beautiful natural wetlands. So one could easily spend half a day out here on the trails, bird watching, and just enjoying being outside in nature. Along my nature hike, I found an abundance of birds: great blue herons, egrets, martins. What I noticed as I'm walking along the shoreline here in this loop trail, there's a lot of the pond apple trees, the fire flags, the pickerel weeds that all act as filtration systems for the water. It's much the same habitat as you would find over at Wakotahachie and at Green Cay Wetlands, only this is very large. This little section you can see some pond apple trees that have no leaves. Over here to the right, some of the pond apple trees have a few leaves. It's winter time. So far I've seen common gallinals, herons, and egrets.
Off in the distance, we can see a rookery island. Other birds seen here are the limpkin, purple gallinals, wood storks, and snail kites. Roseate spoonbills and eagles have been sighted here as well. Some of the trees here in the nature preserve are cypress trees, slash pines, and sable palmettos.
The midway point, I'm at the farthest point away from the roads, so it's the quietest that I've experienced here on the trail. As I go along, there's a little faint noise in the background from the cars in the distance. All right, so I'm well past the midway point, and the last shelter said that the parking lot is 1.8 miles, so I made good progress. It's got a sandy trail here. It's real pretty. Lots of birds.
I saw apple snail shells along the shoreline, which is food for the snail kites.
You know, so the preserve acts as a natural buffer amongst all the development that modern man lives with, living close to urbanized cities. So it's a nice respite to come out here and walk and be amongst the trees and hear the sound of the birds. It's relaxing. So because of the strong conservation efforts made out here at Winding Waters, we all can come out and enjoy this beautiful natural space, which provides a safe habitat for all of these birds, reptiles, and other animals.
At Winding Waters, the core mission was to restore and rewild the local habitat for both recreational and ecological purposes. The goal was to restore the wetland areas, create habitat diversity, and a resilient ecosystem that will be self-restoring. A graded pond was installed, and this is a part of the canoe trail. Along the pond shoreline, I saw wildflowers and a meadow of flowers to attract pollinators such as butterflies and bees. The project was completed by the Department of Environmental Resources Management. The county's largest city, West Palm Beach, has been the recipient of this very successful rewilding project, and the land will be protected and preserved in perpetuity for all to enjoy. What I love about hiking the trails in this preserve is the ability to relax, get exercise, and enjoy and connect with nature in a very beautiful preserve.
Okay, well, I made it all the way around Winding Waters, 5 miles for the wetland hiking trail. I'm going to end my video here. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next adventure.